It's the biggest booze cruise ever. In just 3 weeks, 47,000 people have come jostling for cut-price drinks between Fishguard and Rosslare on a ship that's a boozer's bargain basement. No one's concerned about a relaxing sundowner here. As the ferry Stena Felicity heads into a wind-whipped sea, it's into the scrum for beer, at a staggering 28 pence a can, and 144 cans for all on the two-way trip. Spirits are high, but the prices are low, less than half the cost in the cheapest supermarkets. Under a fiver for a litre of special offer Scotch, gin and vodka. And with a day trip ticket costing just £7, it's a case of cashing in on Christmas.
Oh yes, it's the 6th time over.
Unbelievable. We'll be all alcoholics.
Wonderful idea. Yes, it's a pity they don't do it in the shops.
In just a day, the ferry company netted £112,000 on this ship alone. On the entire fleet, passengers have spent millions. Even in the bar, where there are no special offers, business booms, though it's not all plain sailing. But for some, with Christmas canned in towering cartons of beer, the booze cruise becomes the snooze cruise as the ship heads homewards. For the ferry company, it's a cracker.
The distributors of the goods, like the Jameson, Irish Distillers and the Grants, IDV, they give us a special offer on the price that we buy it in. So we're able to promote that at the price that we're given, half price.
As the cut-price Christmas cheer is trundled ashore, the ferry company celebrates a record year. Out of its profits, bonuses of up to £150 are now being paid to its 4,000 staff, more than 500 of them in Wales. Their ship, too, has come home this Christmas.